You can just barely hear the train in the distance. It was just honking. It's a couple miles over there on Route 1 in Eaton. It's a mournful sound. It's very quiet. This camera was in my pocket. There's my big boy, Red, who probably can't be seen very well because the sun is coming into the lens here. So that's too bad, right? He's a beautiful dog, but you can't see him. Can you? I don't think so. He's in the shade there. Nope. Maybe you can hear the train. See how quiet it is out here. So I think today's October 1st. If I wanted to wait a couple more minutes, I think I'd hear the train honking in Danforth, a few miles down the track. Beautiful. I know you can see me, I think. That's me. We'll see. I can turn the viewfinder. Oh yeah, there I am. See, I got the viewfinder. Peace, namaste, God bless. I'm 68 and just having a little peaceful walk out here with my coonhound. Yeah, I don't really, no hunters, no trucks, no, except for that train there. I don't think deer hunting season, I don't think has started, so that's probably why. Well, it's just quiet up here in Danforth. Quiet enough that you can hear the train. That's the same train that exploded with oil and killed about 50 people over in Quebec about 100 miles down the track about 5-6 years ago. I think it's Lac something or other. It's a French name. Comes right by here. So quiet, it makes a lot of noise. It's several miles away, but a lot. It's beautiful up here. And the only idiotic person I have to put up with is me. My dog says that all the time. Red, he says, oh boy, thank God, I only got to put up with one idiot. That's Roger. Is that a beautiful train sound? That's how quiet it is out here. It's obviously getting closer. It's heading into, well, not sure where it's at right now. I think it was sounding the whole. I think it went across Route 1 in Eaton. I think the first time I heard it was out there, up by the Canadian border, I believe, when it crossed Route 6. No, yeah, Route 6, I think. No, it wasn't Route 6, up at Vanceboro, I mean. And I think it'll be sounding again when it goes through Danforth over in that direction. Or maybe that was Danforth. Anyway, this is pretty boring. Thank the Lord for that. You have a nice day.